finished painting a whole house here in Dillsburg. We'll go through it, but we want to meet the homeowner first. Her name is Shannon. Hi, Shannon. So, Shannon, how did you hear about Tracy Works?
Somebody on Facebook.
Okay, and did you have any issues with Tracy Works? And what issues did you have, and did they take care of it?
We didn't have many issues. We were hoping to be done a little bit sooner and be able to sleep at home, but the communication was done well, and we got it all figured out. So
Wonderful.
It wasn't a problem.
Wonderful. You're happy with everything?
Yes.
Okay. And would you recommend Tracy Works to other people?
Absolutely.
Wonderful. Thank you, Shannon. I know we're going to go ahead and let you go get your dog, and we're going to walk around and show you a few things. This is some of the walls that we did, and Shannon wanted an accent wall, and this is what she chose. And this is what we did, all the walls here. Sure, Jinky, I'll smile. All the walls. And there's Keith out there loading the truck. And he finished it up today. But we'll walk upstairs. We did all the walls here. All upstairs. We did up the top here. And bathroom. Many different colors in the upstairs rooms. Many different colors. There's her husband, Jason. Eating a salad. Another bedroom we did was the accent wall over there. This is the son's room. And this is the daughter's room. Look at that color. What would your daughters think about this room? Look at that color. And last but not least, the master bedroom and the master bath. Many different colors upstairs, many different colors. All right, looking to have your house painted? Give us a call, 717-602-2455. TracyWorks.com.